So today I'm going to teach y'all how to make a Kahoot. And so the first thing, we've already made our profile as you can see right here. So we're going to go ahead and create Kahoot. Alright, it says a new Kahoot, or do we want to teach with slides, or you can choose to Kahoot with a different format or whatever. But just for this one, we are going to go ahead and create a new Kahoot. Alright, so start typing your questions. So it says click to start typing your questions. So we're going to put, let's put where in this, oh gosh, sentence does the quotation mark belong? Okay, so that's what you're going to put in, and then let's just allow them 20 seconds. Let's do pointage. You can change how many points you want it to be worth. It could be worth 1,000. We'll just do 1,000, whatever. Okay, so, and then right here it says drag and drop images. We're not going to do any images. Let's look at image library instead. Okay, so we'll just pick some random image from the image library. Let's just go with this one because it's kind of simple, whatever. So here's our thing, and now we have to add answer 1. So answer 1, we'll put mother said pick up your shoes. All right. The next answer will say mother. Oh wait, hold on. Oh goodness, what I do? Okay. So now we're gonna do mother said. Oops, can't spell today either. Mother said pick up your shoes. And then here we're gonna say mother said pick up your shoes. Obviously they're all gonna say the same thing. So this one's gonna be mother said pick your shoes. Mother said pick up. Okay. And now what I'm gonna do is select the one that's right, which is this one. And then once you've done that, you click add question. And then you can click quiz like this. Okay, and then we're gonna add another question, same question. Where do the quote speech marks? Let's put speech marks instead, just to spice it up a bit. Marks belong. And then down here, where? Oh wait, actually, yeah. Where do the speech marks belong? So put around the words said the beginning of each sentence. Can't spell today at all, guys. And then we can do we'll put around the direct around the direct statement within the okay. And then the last one we'll just say it doesn't matter. Okay. So this is just like a sloppy example of what you're supposed to do to show how you create the quiz. And then you can put, okay, so I'm just going to go question bank. If you want to do this, you could start typing a question to search. So you could type like, where does the quotation mark belong? Okay. And you can click like, after a quotation mark, where does the period belong? Ooh, there's a good one. So I can add that one to it. I can add, where does a citation belong? No, we're not going to do that. Where does a comma belong? However you arrive. Okay, hold on. Does comma inside or outside of quotation? Is a comma inside or outside of quotation mark? Okay, so all right, so I can just choose those and then close this. And then now I can click over here. Wait, no, over here? Yeah, so you click done right here. And then you click, oh, you title it. So I'm just going to put quotation marks. I'll just call it quotations, actually. And then description, grammar, and quotation. That's what I'll call it. Continue. Now I'm waiting, and then I could put, I could share this Kahoot with others or text it to anybody. For right now, I'm just going to click done. And here we are. There's the Kahoot. Thank you.